We animated some fuzzies today.
Yeah.
We took the illustration here, and you can see I broke it down into different layers because these are the things that we want to animate as we move this into Express. So as you can see, I put in the Photoshop file here, and now I have all these elements separated. So I think what would be great with this illustration is we can turn it into a poster. I want to switch out the background so that we have a little bit more contrast with the words. We're going to animate this board. Let's give it this kind of like twisting, turning type of feel. Let's go into our animation options here, and we're gonna actually just do a loop.
Okay.
I actually like to start with the loop just because it's almost like you work in the middle, like kind of the meat, and then you work with the like potatoes and trim on the outside.
Okay, teach us some.
Hey man, it's the process.
Teach us some.
But let's add a spin feature on here, and you see like that's already turning into like something interesting. Maybe put it on 15. Let's select the legs and let's go back into animation. So we're gonna add that, and then let's turn the speed down just a little bit. Yeah, just something to kind of show the way it's kind of turning a little bit for the head. Right now I have it on this like yo-yo. Yeah, I feel really good about this.
Listen, this is looking good.
What I went ahead and did and just added all those layers into a group. So now as we go in, we can actually add an animation to the actual group. I think we just add the ends. Let's just animate it in. Oh.
Yeah, I don't know. The rise might do it.
So we cooking with gas?
I think we cooking.
Okay. Let's add some text in here. Let's put our tagline in here. We'll say shred. And then we'll do lightly. All right, so let's change the font. Let's try this one, which is Rock Grotesque, which is pulled directly from Adobe fonts. Let's just make it white for now. We're gonna put our skater above the words, just enough to like give this some dimension. Let's actually build out each of these letters individually. I think this will be a great way to animate these in. So let's go in, and I'm thinking we add like this, almost like this jitter effect on them, maybe. Yeah, probably not that intense. Like chill out, bro. Just like
just a little bit, shake a little, shake a little, shake.
Maybe we change the intensity on each one. We just wanted enough to get some differentiation between them. Differentiation.
Okay.
Differentiation. Hey. So with lightly, we actually added pop, which was weird. It worked. It worked, but we changed the personality to loud. So now it still has like this jitter when it appears. And then with the wiggle, it kind of keeps the motion from the other ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cooking. I want to try to pull from my character here. Yeah, maybe we found like this dark.
Like something that's still dark, but still, I kind of like that.
Let's add another text layer in here, and we're going to do don't.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can go in here and like add like a text effect. What about this?
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay, I like it. I like it.
How should this animate? What you think? I don't know. I actually like the strength though. Like, what if we make it?
Don't,
Yeah.
Does it need to have any sort of looping kind of jitter? Maybe like a small jitter.
Yeah.
You have that. Yeah, I like that.
Let's go in here and let's type in some graffiti. What if we almost had like this? Let's change that to white. And then almost like, what if it like kind of spilled off this like thing here? Like almost like it leaked a little bit over it. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Never. I'm just gonna add these elements in, and we're just seeing like kind of what our options here. Okay. I like this. It's kind of like an edge type thing. So we'll kind of like take our elements here. Let's kind of scale this up
together.
All right. Let's add like a little crown.
Okay.
Crown action. Let me see. Maybe we get like this. Let's add a pop again. Let's give a jitter.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and play it back. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, just kind of play.
I like it. It's been amazing.
Peace. See y'all.